Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will be showing you how to create this stunning glow effect around any text or image in Adobe Premiere Pro. And the best part is we won't be using any plugins. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into it. First, let's open Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you're in, go ahead, create a new project. Make sure to name it something relevant so you can find it easily later on. After that, import your image or text that you want to apply the glow effect to. Simply drag and drop it into your timeline. Now adjust the position and scale of your image or text accordingly. You can do this by selecting the clip in the timeline and using the effect controls panel to fine-tune its position and size. Next, let's move to the effects panel. Here you want to search for the drop shadow effect. Once you find it, simply drag and drop it onto your clip in the timeline. Now click on the clip in the timeline and navigate to the effect controls panel. Here we'll adjust some properties of the drop shadow. First, set the shadow color to white. You can do this by clicking on the color box next to shadow color. Next, set the opacity to 100% to make sure the glow stands out. Now here's where the magic happens. Play around with the softness slider until you get your desired glow effect. A higher softness value will give you a softer glow, while a lower value will give you a sharper edge. You can also experiment with the distance parameter to see how far you want the glow to extend from your image or text. Once you're happy with the glow effect, make sure to save it as a preset. This way you won't have to recreate it every time. Simply right click on the drop shadow effect in the effect controls panel and select save preset. Give it a name that you remember. Now that we've created our preset, let's see how easy it is to apply it. Just head back to the effects panel, find your saved preset and drag it onto any new image or text. As you can see, I just applied the preset and voila, the glow effect is right there. And that's it for today. You've just learned how to create a beautiful glow effect around your images and text in Premiere Pro without any plugins. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.